Uh, Today we are going to learn the gravitation. Before learning the gravitation regarding the Newton, at that time the great scientist Newton was the professor in the Cambridge University, and when there is a disease of black plague at that time on large scale, therefore this university becomes off and Newton returned to his village Woolsthorpe. When he returned to his village at that time he saw apple. Apple falls down from the apple tree, and he thought that why apple falls down. The reason is that he thought that why it is not go in the vertical upward direction, not goes in the horizontal direction, not in a different direction, but it straightly fall down towards the center of the earth. And Newton also observed all the apples at different heights, they may also fall to the surface of the earth. Means this earth, after much thought, he come to the conclusion that earth apply the force on the apple and therefore apple fall on the earth. Means earth is not only apply the force on the apple but also the different objects which are present on the surface, they are also attracted towards the earth. At different height also earth apply this force. See in the figure, for example, this is the moon. Moon is far away from the earth, but till earth also apply the force on the moon, and therefore moon revolved around the earth. Moon not goes in the straight line, it revolved around the earth due to the gravitational force applied by the earth on the moon, and therefore this is the example as earth apply the gravitational force on the different objects, on the different planets also.